Okay, so now we will learn some words related to having emergencies, such as a paramedic, an ambulance, an accident, wearing a seatbelt, and a few more. So let's try it out. The first word we have is emergencias, which means emergency. Emergencias. Emergencies. So basically like emergencies. Emergencia is one emergency. Emergencias is many emergencies. But whenever we talk about, for example, calling the emergency room, or going to the emergency room, or calling the ambulance, we would say la sala de emergencias, the emergency room. So in English, you say emergency if it's one. In Spanish, we say it like two, sala de emergencias. If you have one emergency, you would say, ayuda, es una emergencia. Emergencia. If you go to the emergency room, sala de emergencias. So yeah, emergencia, emergency. And the next one, ambulancia. Ambulance. Ambulancia. Ambulance. And the next one, paramédico. Paramédico means paramedic. Paramédico, the paramedic. Paramédico. So one more time, emergencia, emergency, emergencias, emergencies, ambulancia, ambulance, paramédico, paramedic. And let's try some examples. Es una emergencia. Llama a la ambulancia. It's an emergency. Call an ambulance or call the ambulance. Llama a la ambulancia. Es una emergencia. The next one. Los paramédicos llegan en una ambulancia a ayudar a la persona que tiene una emergencia. This one is a very long phrase. Los paramédicos, the paramedics, llegan en una ambulancia. Arrive in an ambulance. A ayudar a la persona, to help the person, que tiene una emergencia, who has an emergency. So one more time in Spanish. Los paramédicos llegan en una ambulancia a ayudar a la persona que tiene una emergencia. This one was quite fast, but I think it's, at this level, you should understand it. The next one. Here we have humo. Humo means smoke. When there is smoke, we would say humo, hay humo. There is smoke. Then we have accidente, an accident. Accidente, accident. And herida. Herida. Herida means injury or a wound. When you are injured, when you have a wound, we say herida. And the next one, maquillarse. Maquillarse means to put on makeup. Maquillarse, to put on makeup. Maquillarse. So yeah, humo, smoke, accidente, accident, herida, wound or injury, maquillarse, to put on makeup. Okay, and the next one. Here we have un espejo, a mirror, un espejo. If you're talking to the rear view about the rear view mirror, you can say un espejo retrovisor. That's the word we use. Espejo retrovisor. The rear view mirror. Un espejo retrovisor. And the next one. Parabrisas. Parabrisas means the wind shield. So, para means to stop. Brisas is like the breeze. To stop the breeze, basically. Parabrisas, the stopper of breezes. The windshield, parabrisas. And the next one, cinturón de seguridad. Safety belt. El cinturón de seguridad. The safety belt. cinturón de seguridad. And yeah, one more time. Un espejo, if it's a rear view one, espejo retrovisor, rear view mirror. Parabrisas, the windshield, parabrisas. And cinturón de seguridad, safety belt, cinturón de seguridad. And let's try some examples. Hubo un accidente. Hay mucho humo saliendo. Hay mucho humo saliendo del carro y heridos. Okay, it's a hard one. Hubo un accidente. There was an accident. Hay mucho humo. There's a lot of smoke. Saliendo, coming out, del carro, of the car. Y heridos, and injured people. Y heridos, hay heridos, they are injured people. So, one more time. Hubo un accidente. Hay mucho humo saliendo del carro y heridos. And injured. Heridos is like injured people. Heridos, hay heridos, they are injured people. The next example. Necesito un espejo para ponerme maquillaje. I need a mirror to put on makeup. Or I need to use a mirror. Necesito usar un espejo. I need to use a mirror para ponerme maquillaje. To put on makeup. Para ponerme maquillaje. And the next one. Tuve un accidente. I had an accident, or I was in an accident. Y se rompió el parabrisas de mi carro. And my car's windshield broke. Afortunadamente, fortunately, llevaba el cinturón de seguridad puesto. I was wearing the seatbelt on, or I was wearing a seatbelt. Afortunadamente, fortunately, llevaba el cinturón de seguridad puesto. I was wearing the seatbelt. Cinturón de seguridad. Seatbelt, safety belt. Okay, one more time in Spanish. Tuve un accidente y se rompió el parabrisas de mi carro. Afortunadamente, llevaba el cinturón de seguridad puesto. Okay, it's a long phrase, but it's understandable. Okay, so let's try the next ones. Here we have respirar, which means to breathe. Respirar, to breathe. Then we have sangrar. Sangrar comes from sangre. Sangre means blood. Sangrar means to bleed. Sangrar. And the next one, ahogar. Ahogar means to drown or to choke. Ahogar. To drown, to be drowning, to be, or when you choke. Ahogar. So yes, respirar, to breathe. Sangrar, to bleed. Ahogar, to choke or to be drowning. Ahogar, to drown. And another thing you can do is gritar, which means to scream or to shout. Gritar, help, gritar. Or here we have this word. This word is called auxilio. Auxilio means help or aid, assistance, auxilio. You can also scream this word if you need help. You can say auxilio, help, aid, assistance, give me assistance. Auxilio, auxilio. So yes, this is the word. In English, you would say help, help. In Spanish, we say ayuda, help, or auxilio, which also means help, aid, or assistance. Auxilio, help. And you can also use auxiliar if you want to help somebody. Te auxilio, I can auxilio you, give you assistance. Auxilio, auxiliar. The next one, chocar. Chocar means to crash. Chocar. So you crash something. Chocar, to crash. So one more time, gritar, to scream or to shout. Auxilio, help. You can say gritar auxilio, to scream for help. And chocar, to crash. Chocar. And let's try some examples. Auxilio, help. Me estoy ahogando. I'm drowning. No puedo respirar. I can't breathe. Auxilio, help. Me estoy ahogando. I'm drowning. No puedo respirar. I can't breathe. So yeah, 3 words in one, 3 vocabulary words in one phrase. And let's try again. Auxilio, me estoy ahogando. No puedo respirar. Okay. And the next one. Oops, let's see this one. El hombre que estaba gritando por ayuda había chocado su carro y estaba sangrando. This is a long phrase. El hombre que estaba gritando, the man who was yelling, screaming, por ayuda, for help, había chocado su auto, had crashed his car, y estaba sangrando, and was bleeding. Y estaba sangrando. He was bleeding. So yes, one more time. El hombre que estaba gritando por ayuda había chocado su auto y estaba sangrando. It's a long phrase, but I think it's understandable by now. Okay, so that's it for this one. Make sure to check out the Quizlet or listen to music, watch some movies in Spanish, have fun with the language. As always, thanks for watching. So now it's your turn to practice Spanish. You can find the lessons Quizlet by going into the Lecture Resources folder. Thanks for watching.